The first steps that we had to take for our maths collaboration was to assess the children and find out what stages they were at. We then grouped the children into their maths stages, with the lower stages having less children in them, so it was more one-on-one focused lesson. Now the organising of the rotations, what was going on in the classroom, the changeovers between the classrooms took us the most time to organise. Within that we had to plan the activities, so what was going in the class stations, the workshops, how many workshops we would have. We needed to choose what teacher was willing to take what stages, who had strengths in the different stages as well. The time management of the workshops was easy to plan, just 15 minutes per workshop, but to actually follow that while you are taking the lesson was a little bit trickier, and definitely you need to follow that time frame, otherwise it messes everyone else up. And the last thing that we needed to plan and organise was the equipment, and that's class books, model books, and the station gear. So where the class books will be, what's in the class books was ICAN sheets, and the same with the model books, need to have the ICAN sheets. The station equipment that the children would be using, where would that be? How easy is it for the children to get, or do we set it up ourselves? One of our biggest challenges have been understanding math and how we can best get across an idea. We definitely need to gain more professional development in this area. And the other big challenge that we have come across is when we have other staff come in for the maths collaboration, may it be relievers or release teachers, and they aren't ready for the pace of the collaboration, and so trying to keep them to the time frame of the 15 minutes per workshop, and also trying to understand the rotation of where the children are going. Some of the awesome things about maths collaboration has been that we're able to cater to the children's gaps way easier. So in our stations, we make sure that the activities are for those gaps, and we tell the children, this is the things you see on your ICAN sheet, you need to work towards these things. So practice these different stations, change between the different stations. We also have constant checkups of the ICAN sheets in their model books so that they can see, yep, here are my gaps, this is what I need to work towards. It's been awesome. We see improvement within just these few weeks that we have trialled it out. We've seen improvement, we've seen engagement, excitement for maths. Just every child is working hard, especially on the stations. And some of the things that the children have really enjoyed has been having different teachers, so myself, Jared and Lucy, and also working with children from the other classes as well.